everybody, it's Big Fat Crypto Guy. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, so a little update on my build. Obviously, I said that I'll do a video in the night when I'm finished. It's been a little bit more of a pain in the bum than that. Cards overheating, getting the cards working, and generally trying to make it stable. Hasn't been easy. Because with NVIDIA you don't really need to do anything, you don't need to flash no BIOSes or anything. They just work out the box. But they've been hot. Last night when I was running them they kept on crashing. So this is why we've got a suspended fan and a fan here. Yeah, okay, this one, Frankenstein Senior, was okay over there. I don't know why it's changed, but now over here, even though the cards are all apart, it's sort of got a bit more hotter, you know, a little bit more nerving for it. I don't want it to get over a certain temperature, but it's going to be Junior number 2. This has generally been a pain in the arse. I haven't flashed the motherboard yet with the new BIOS because I wanted to see what it can do. It's not getting as much as what it can here on Senior. The cards are running at 40 degrees and I just thought that was too hot, so I decided to rip up a cable and suspend a fan just to make it a bit cooler. One of them sitting at 40 degrees, one of them sitting at 46. Oh, sorry, one of them's now sitting at 32, which is what I wanted. I don't want really anything over 30. But you know, that will do. It's still a nice cool environment. CPUs haven't gone online just yet. These machines together, because there has been a massive correction in Bitcoin, they were making $25, $26 a day from both of these machines being online, which is fantastic. That's with nice hash. But there's been a massive correction. I mean, I started mining it when it was just shy 10,200 and now it's like 8,200, so $2,000 loss. We're getting about $12 a day, $13 a day now, so you know, a loss, a really big loss there. So that's my rig. Just remember, on the top one there's 3 1060s, on the bottom one there's 3 1050 Ti's, there's one 1060 on there. I think I've got it stable. I mean, I'm still messing around with the clock settings and everything to try and make it stable, try and make it, you know, have a bit more money than what it is. I had a problem with this one as well. The motherboard, one of the PCI slots on the motherboard's broken, so I put in a riser in it and it still didn't work. I quickly went and got myself a new riser and I put it on the first slot, and then it started working just like that, because the computer wouldn't recognise it. Eventually got all the way across that, got it sorted, got it working. And that's it really, and that's it all working. I am on nice hash at the moment. I'm not doing Ethereum, though I will get my money out of Ethereum soon, and I will upgrade this BIOS here to allow maximum performance. i3s again, perfect, absolutely perfect. Don't buy a Celeron, spend a little bit more money on an i3 and the performance will be better. And that's it. Please comments below, please thumbs up, please subscribe. Thank you very much. It's Big Fat Crypto Guy. Any questions, let me know, write them below. Thank you very much.